So this video is the continuation of the chapter that is hydrosphere. In the last video we had discussed about the waves and the tides, and today we are going to discuss about the ocean currents. Now what are ocean currents? They are a regular movement. There is a regular movement of water from one part of the ocean to another, and that particular movement of water from one part to the another part of the ocean is known as ocean currents. Now, based on temperature, ocean currents can be broadly divided into two categories, that is warm and the cold currents. Now, what are these warm currents? Now, these are those currents which flow from the low latitudes in the tropical zone towards the high latitudes in the temperate and subpolar zones. And what do? They bring warm water into the cold water areas. So this is about the warm currents. Now cold currents, these currents have a lower surface temperature and they bring cold water into the warm water areas. Now based on the depth of the ocean, the current is further divided into the surface current and the deep water current. Now what is the surface current? These currents constitute about 10% of all water in the oceans, and they lie at the upper 400 meter of the ocean. And deep water current, these currents make up the other 90% of the ocean water, and these waters move around the ocean basins due to variation in the density and gravity. So that you have here in your book. See, surface current and deep water current. So read both the paragraphs. Now what are the causes of these ocean currents? Now these are mainly caused by difference in density of the sea water and variation in temperature. So the main reason is the density of the sea. What is the density of the sea water, and also the different variation in the temperature. So these are the main causes of the ocean currents. Now it also depends upon the level of salinity. See, the higher the level of salinity of ocean water, the denser it is. Now, water with less salinity therefore flows over the denser saline water. For example, the Mediterranean Sea is more saline as compared to the Atlantic Ocean. So, the Atlantic water flows into the Mediterranean Sea surface. Now, if we talk about the temperature, the oceans near the tropics and the equator are much warmer than the ocean water in the polar and the temperate regions. So, in the polar and the temperate regions, they have less like little cold oceanic water than the tropics and the equators. The tropics and the equators, because they receive high temperature, that particular area receives high temperature, so these areas the ocean waters are warmer. Now therefore warm equatorial water, what happens, it moves towards the poles as warm currents, while cold ocean currents move towards the equator as the cold ocean currents. Now Earth's rotation, how Earth's rotation causes currents. Now since the speed of the rotation of the Earth is maximum at the equator, all moving bodies, that is winds and the ocean currents, they move in the clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere and anti-clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. For example, Canary current and the Gulf Stream in the northern hemisphere. Now coming to the planetary winds. Now there are two planetary winds, that is trade winds and westerlies. Now children, westerlies you have already learned in your previous class. Now what are the trade winds? Trade winds, they blow between the equator and the tropics. Now these winds move equatorial waters, that is polewards and westwards. Now they warm the east coast of the continents. So here are the examples that is given. Now like the northeast trade winds move north equatorial current to warm eastern coast of Japan as Kuroshio current. This last year you had learned the Kuroshio currents. Now the southeast trade winds, they drive the south equatorial current which warms the east coast of Australia as warm East Australian current. So this is the trade winds. Now coming to the westerlies, they blow in the temperate latitudes and they result in the northeasterly flow of the water in the northern hemisphere and the opposite in the southern hemisphere. Now here few examples are given to you. Now here in the planetary winds, we also have the monsoon winds. Now the strongest influence of prevailing winds on flow of the current is seen in the North Indian Ocean. Now due to the monsoon winds, the direction of the current changes from southwest in the summer to northeast in the winter. Now if we talk about the land, how land causes the ocean currents, a land mass obstructs the flow of water of the ocean current and diverts its movement. For example, here example is given that you can read. Now coming to the effects of the ocean currents. Children, if you refer to page number 88 and 89, see here you have all the effects are broadly described that you have to read once. Okay, I am explaining you it in short here. The effects of the ocean currents. They influence climate by modifying the climatic condition of the coastal regions along which they flow. For example, the Gulf Stream drift. Now winds blowing over warm currents, they pick up moisture and they bring rain, while those that pass over the cold currents do not bring rain but make the desert colder and drier. For example, Kalahari Desert. Now the currents also influence the routes of the cyclonic streams. Now dense fogs caused by the meeting of cold and warm currents are dangerous to ships. Now here in your textbook it is explained how these are dangerous. Now ships can sail faster if they flow in the direction of the current and the opposite direction hinders the speed. Now if they travel in the same direction, obviously it will support to the speed of the ships. Now the mixing of the cold and the warm ocean current, they causes plankton, that is fish food, that is to be found in abundance in the oceans. So here how they affect the different like effects on how it affects the climate, that is effect on temperature, effect on rainfall, fog and violent storms, that is given, and also how it affects the marine organisms and how it affects the commerce. So here you have to read it once. So that's all we have in this particular video.